Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP. Today's lesson will be about more of the most commonly used root words in Filipino. Keep watching to learn them and surprise locals with words you can form using these words. You can add mag or nag before these root words to change them into a verb. Let's start with Aral. This means lesson. Aral. 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 Mag-aral ka. Nag-aral ka ba kanina? Mag-aaral ako bukas. The next one is Trabaho. This is work or job in English. Trabaho. 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 Magtrabaho ka nga. Ayokong magtrabaho. Nagtrabaho na ako kagabi. Magtatrabaho ako bukas. Luto is cuisine or cooking in English. Luto. 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 Nagluto ako. Kain ka na. Magluluto ako ng spaghetti. Magluto ka ng masarap na pagkain. Laro. This means game. Laro. 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 Maglalaro ka ba? Hindi. Naglaro na ako kanina. Maglaro ka ng Dota. The last one is Pahinga, which means rest. Pahinga. 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 Nagpahinga ka ba kanina? Hindi. Magpapahinga ako mamaya. Magpahinga ka na rin. You did well. These are just some root words you can use with mag and nag to make verbs. Now, it's practice time. This means lesson. Aral. This means work or job. Trabaho. This means cuisine, cooking. Luto. This means game. Laro. This means rest. Pahinga. I hope you find them useful, especially the next time you encounter and talk to some locals. Thank you for watching. Paalam po.